In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply want to annotate a document, adding comments is a key feature that can enhance communication and clarity. Let's walk through this step-by-step process so you can effortlessly leave your feedback where it's most valuable. First, you need to open the PDF document that you want to comment on using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're not familiar with Adobe Acrobat, simply launch the application and use the File menu to open your document. Once your PDF is ready, look for the Quick Access toolbar where you will find an icon labeled Add Comment. Click on this icon. This will activate the commenting feature in Adobe Acrobat. If you don't see the comment option pop up directly, make sure you select Add Comment from the menu. This step ensures you're in the correct mode to leave your thoughts on the document. Next, decide on the specific page and location within your PDF that you'd like to comment on. Move your cursor to the spot where your input is most relevant and click to start typing your comment. This step is straightforward and allows you to leave detailed notes exactly where they're needed. After clicking, a text box will appear for you to write your feedback or annotation. Simply type your comment into this box. Remember, the clarity of your comment is key to effective communication, so try to be as specific as possible. An extra tip, if you're working on a shared PDF with other reviewers, you have the option to mention them by clicking on the App button. This feature allows you to directly notify and engage with your collaborators, making teamwork seamless and interactive. Once you've completed typing your comment, you'll need to finalize your input by clicking on the Post button. This action saves your comment to the document and makes it visible to other users. It's a part of the commenting practice that ensures everyone involved has access to your perspective and insights. Adding comments in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is a simple process that can greatly improve the quality of your document reviews and collaborations. By following these instructions, you will be able to smoothly add annotations to any PDF, enhancing clarity and facilitating discussion. Thank you for joining me today. As always, feel free to explore and experiment within Adobe Acrobat Pro DC after you've gained confidence with these fundamental steps. With a bit of practice, you'll find commenting in PDFs is an efficient way to share and refine ideas.